This is game 2 of, this is week 6, I think? Yeah, because, I don't know, 7, week 7. This is the Stuckman, Stuck in the Washing Machine versus, oh, it's Fireball on mound.
Yeah.
Oh, right.
Yeah, Stuck in the Washing Machine versus the Ziggy Zeros. Yeah, Stuck came to the shocking revelation that apparently Firebro is pitching-wise identical to Boomerang Bro.
Eh. Well, we saw how that went earlier. DK with a nice... Ooh, he's going for 2. Oh, he almost wanted to go for 2. Green Madge next up. Get past Mario. Sorry. 2 on, 1 out for green Dry Bones. The Bone Zone, correct.
The Bone Zone.
Strike 1. Double play. Nope. Just ooh, it was a double play. Green Bones is slow enough. Or unfortunately slow enough. Alright, here comes the Washing Machine. Facing off against Goomba, first time pitcher.
Indeed. Not a great start. 1 pitch, 1 hit.
Yep.
I'm personally realizing that now that Minnesota Boys is over, I should turn off football. That's going to be a classic Firebro home run.
Home run, yep.
Wow, not even on screen.
Yeah, we couldn't even see it.
Don't know how that reels.
The Dolphins got field goal. Good for them.
Is it?
They're down 8.
Yeah.
Yoshi not hit the bird, but that's a single.
I look forward to seeing what bird shenanigans happen in this game.
If any. It might just be a pretty boring game, you never know.
It could be.
2 on. Is Yoshi going for 3? Yes, he is. Will he get there?
Yeah, because he's
so
fucking fast.
Fast ass dinosaur. Red
Stuck's
Noki.
favorite character in every single Mario baseball game.
True.
Yoshi saw a bunch of Koopas.
1-1.
Gonna be a pop fly.
High.
Red Noki.
Yep. Probably brings Mario home.
Yep, that absolutely will score too.
Wait. Ooh.
I hate...
And a triple.
I hate to say it, you got DK there, Mario gets out.
I believe it. Red Pianta. With Chem on, hits a single to right field. 0 outs, by the way. This is... Yeah, 1 out. Yeah, 1 out.
Wow.
Red Para gets, that should be, bring green Para, ooh no, I forgot. Diddy Kong is kinda himmy. Kinda sorta. Ooh. Dixie barely makes it. Keeps the inning alive. Red Mad back to the top of the lineup. And here comes Firebro. Strike 2, gets another one past him. Ooh, a strikeout for Goomba on one of the top MVP candidates.
Good way to end the first inning, but he let up 6 off the top. Oh, concussion ball!
Oh. Great start. Dark Bones.
That's also gonna get double play.
The...
Terrible start to the Bone Zone. Then again, every time they've had an absolutely abysmal dog shit start, the Bone Zone has showed up every subsequent inning.
Alright, well, you take that. Oh, well.
Goomba strikes out.
Ooh. Strike out. Yeah. Hopefully for Ziggy, you see the bats start coming to life soonish.
Yep, that's what you'd like to see.
But who knows if we will. First, we gotta get out of the.
Oh, good dive.
Good sliding catch. Ball one.
Off the.
Close to the chain chomp.
Oh, I thought you was going for it again, but instead. Oh no! The chain chomp!
That will advance, but Yoshi will probably go home.
No.
Oh, no, he won't. Okay. I don't know. I thought Paragoomba would have had a longer stun time. Red Pianto. Come on. High up the center, but Diddy will catch that, and that should be another run, though. Sack fly for Red Pianta. Green Para.
To the bird!
Bird!
But Diddy is there!
Diddy will get there. Ends the inning. You only hold him. You hold him to 1 this time. That's pretty good.
That is a much improved start.
All right, Paragoomba. Holy foul ball. Right to Red Pianta. Burnout. All right, Goomba. It's the first one get by. And that's a single for Goomba. Here comes the top of the lineup. Strike 1.
Diddy gets on!
That will be... That's 2 on for
Oh,
DK
Goomba!
Goomba going 3!
Ooh.
And he makes it!
The greed.
Alright, here comes DK. This is who you want to see. You're just
Hoping he gets triple here.
hoping he gets something.
You're hoping he swings the bat here.
Yeah, hopefully he hits the ball.
Oh, that's gonna be
does.
massive!
And Yoshi is lost. Where is he going? That should be 2 runs. Diddy will make it home. That's 2 runs. DK double.
DK Star Swing, I think, might be the best in the game.
Yeah. I'd give it. I'd say it's one of the best. It's pretty much a guaranteed because the outfielders have no idea what to do against it. All right, we're in the bone zone. Ooh, no magic catch from Red Madge, so that is a single and a run.
No highlight reels.
Alright, Gray Dry Bones.
And
Continuing
like
the Bone Zone.
I said, the Bone Zone showing up.
Dark Bones.
A Dark Bones 3-run homer here would be massive for the Zeros.
He's got to get the bat off his shoulder first.
And he
And
won't!
he doesn't. Oh.
Heroics from the other 2 members of the zone. Wasted.
Very unfortunate. Red Para up first for the washing machine, and that's an out.
Yeah,
What a great dive from Green Dry Bones.
Green Drybone stays locked in.
Another one. Will he get Dixie out,
Yes!
though? He will!
Dixie's so slow.
Green Dry Bones showing up. Both offensively and defensively.
You know,
Bird?
I'm just saying. No, another.
Another chain chomp. Poor Paragoomba. comes Fire Bro.
Bro just looks yummy out there. Another one from Green Dry Bones!
Green Dry Bones with all of the defense for that inning. Holding them to 0.
Into the bird!
Bird. What will that go? Red Pianta will be there.
Ooh, Paragumba.
Two strikes Paragumba.
Ooh. Red Paragumba tried to dive for it there, too. Oh, straight to Madge.
Right. Straight to Red Madge for the easy out. 2 outs up to up to just Goomba. He just took off his wings.
Every time Paragumba gets out, Goomba does not get his wings.
Ooh. Good throw from Fire Bro to get another scoreless inning out of the zeros.
And it's back to the top of the original lineup.
Strike one. Yoshi not moving towards the ball. 1-1. 2-1 or 1-2.
It's gonna be a strikeout or a hit, and it's perfect. It's to the wall.
Home run.
It's a home run.
Home run for Yoshi. The glitch charge.
No highlight reels.
No highlight reels. Mario gets out. Red Noki. Ball 1. Oh. 1-1. Will Red Noki get the bat off the shoulder?
No.
No, for strikeout. Red Pianta. A nice single. Gets over the infield, and ooh, Red Pianta wanted to go for 3, but thought better and went back. High from Red Para will either no, they won't. That might bring 2 home. Probably will. Unless.
Ooh.
Ooh. Good move from Red Para to
Para
go
for a
third.
triple.
Two strikes for Dixie Kong.
Grounder still swing.
Awful grounder. Alright, top of the lineup for the zeros. Gets past first base, that'll be 1 on for DK.
That it will.
Charging?
No.
High. Ooh.
Concussion possibly.
No. Bro needs to hit the weight room.
Oh, and just a terrible dive from Red Para.
Gets rematched to first and Diddy to second. Here comes the Bone Zone. So far, will Diddy? Oh, he will.
Back into the Bone Zone here. Yeah.
Bases loaded for Grey Dry Bones. Charging? Ooh.
Ooh.
Oh my. What a heater.
Oh no.
Right to Mario.
Gets his
It won't be a double play though. Won't be a double play, so you get another run. I apologize. I think I cut you off.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
All right, 5-10. Much more competitive game than Gambit started.
Than it was earlier. We'll say than it was earlier. Bases loaded for
Paragoon Bomb!
It could happen.
Not if you keep throwing start pitch fastballs.
Yeah, those are evil.
Well,
2 strikes for Paragoomba.
Oh!
No, he will get a hit, but it won't. Yeah, won't do anything with it.
Needed to be placed a bit better, but 2 more runs. You can't really complain about it, except for the fact that it's top of the lineup for the washing machine.
Fire Bro next to bat, but he will not have anyone on base.
Just imagine if Ziggy had the 4th bone.
Like, what a world!
Ooh!
Great pitch by Goomba to make Fire Bro hit it straight to Gray Dry Bones. Yoshi might be looking for his 2nd home run of the game.
You might be looking to get struck out again.
Look for a hit, period. Ooh, a strikeout!
Escapes with 0 again.
Pretty much top of the lineup after Goomba.
That's gonna.
Oh! That's on the line. That's so unfortunate.
We're gonna need that one checked, brother.
Ooh, strikeout for Goomba. I think he wanted that first one. I wasn't expecting to have to bat anymore. Right to Mario. Alright, DK. Right to Red Pianta.
3 up, 3 down. We're gonna have one more chance to save this. Not the part of the lineup you want to see if you're the zeros.
Yeah. Oh man. Foul ball from Mario.
Oh,
High Goomba will be there. And he gets it. No bobble. Red Noki. Trying to charge. Just goes for no.
Red
Is that a
Noki
Red Noki
bomb?
off the wall? Oh my gosh. Red Noki home run. Glitched. Glitch charge.
You know, and actually, I think this is her first of the season. We have to let it rock.
I believe it. That might be the first Noki bomb all season anyways.
I think it is, and I hate that it's on the washing machine.
They have enough, and they get more. High up the center, Diddy will be there, that'll be out. I was gonna say should be, as if he doesn't have, like, guaranteed catches.
The game will find a way. It's Ziggy.
That'd be hilarious. Great jump from Dark Bones to end the inning.
6
he only let up 1. Pretty good.
To keep it competitive.
Let's see what happens.
The Bone Zone on deck.
Oh. Will not get past Red Pianta. Here comes the Bone Zone.
I think ideally you'd like to see single homer here, but
you'd like to see like anything. As many points as you can get, as many hits as you can get, just like something. And there's a single. Great Dry Bones, 1 come on. Gets on.
Mario bubbles! Completely unnecessary dive!
Unnecessary dive into a very funny bobble. It's a 2 chem for Dark Bones. 2 strikes.
Oh!
High, Dixie will be there. So, 2 outs, Green Koopa.
I'd like to say at least he got his bat off his shoulder, but the problem is that he wasted to start doing it. That's gonna be the Pianta, and that's the game.
Not much to say about that.
Yep. Wow.
Kind of just
unsurprising.
Yeah. the Stuck in the Washing Machine have clinched a playoff spot with this win.
Every single Bones got an RBI. Paragoomba did goddamn nothing.
Yeah. Yeah, I think Ziggy is completely out of it now. How many games are left? 2?
2, yeah.
Or no, this is game 8, so yeah, 2 games left after this. He is 1-7.
1-7, yeah.
Yeah, so he is confirmed done. Unless he gets, well, unless... Does that mean... No, because you can technically still lose out. Okay. Oh fuck, we don't have an, it's updated in the thing, right?
I think so.